This is a review of the Logitech K350 wireless keyboard. I found a lot of the pictures on the website to be a little hard to see what was going on, so I decided to do a video review here. Here's the keyboard. It's very nicely built, good quality. You can see from the back the batteries are right there, and like other reviewers have said, it is kind of lifted to give you the profile. It's like that, and you see the keys do raise in the middle. I've had no problems in terms of finding keys or being disoriented or anything. Everything works great, the sound built in, and also to show you the connector itself, the USB, it's that tiny guy right there. All in all, it's a great keyboard. I'm glad I got it.
Some children won't be able to go home for the holidays because they've just